What is going on, y'all? We are here. We got the Carnival Vista beside us. We are on the Carnival Paradise and we are at Celebration Key. We can't wait to check this place out, see what it's all about. I'm going to tell you some of the do's and some of the don'ts, what we liked, what we didn't like, and we can't wait. We're here with Kurt and Marcia, and we're going to have a good time. Let's go. So we are underway on board the tram, headed on to Celebration Key. How excited are you, baby girl?
I'm very excited.
Yeah, we're gonna have a good day today. New place, new private island. Super
Nice and
excited.
sunny.
It is nice and sunny. Warmest day we've had so far.
Just as you get off the ship, you've got guest services and shore excursions.
Nice large map. See the whole key. As soon as you get off, there's a nice little beach right here. It's Calypso Lagoon, the Caribbean's largest freshwater lagoon. Calypso Beach is, this is where you want to come if you're looking for that old school cruise port feel, kind of like when you go to Cozumel and you can go to the beach right there by your ship and get all those awesome pictures. So we're going to take a quick lap here on the Calypso Lagoon side on the tram.
Right over here to our left, this is one of our snack shacks. You have two of them around the property. That is one of our options. You can use your sign and sell card. You're going to get one complimentary meal.
The Pearl Cove private area.
Just in case you want to grab any personal items along the way. And these little colorful buildings over here to our right hand side, these are our food trucks to this side. So at the food trucks, that's also where you can use your sign and sell cards. You're gonna get one complimentary meal each person there as well, okay? Right here, Surf and Sauce, barbecue and food restaurant. They serve local Bahamian beer. They also have everything barbecue. So things like pulled pork sandwiches, baby back ribs, grilled chicken, even brisket is found right there at Surf and Sauce, alright? Just up ahead, we have our sports area. It has a basketball court, volleyball court. We have some handheld games like Connect Four there as well. And hammocks and swing chairs for relaxation. Just ahead, we have our shopping area, Lakota Cove.
So this is the straw market. This takes you out to the ground transportation area, and of course this is in the Freeport, Bahamas area. So you can even rent a car here, or you can find different excursions. So you don't have to stay on the key. And this is the shopping area, straw market. Yeah, there's two ships in port today, and you can see how crowded it is. As Kurt was talking about, they'll eventually have about 6 ships in here at a time, but at least right now with just 2 ships in, this is not bad at all. Check out this little bar here, a little swim up bar with the swings. Pretty cool bar area. Check that out. Very cool bar. Very, very cool. Very cold water today. It's the fall and it is super cold. Holy moly, that's cold. This is the Calypso Lagoon. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Against my better judgment. Whew. Man, that's cold. That is so cold. This is amazing though. I can only imagine what this is going to be like in the summertime when this water is toasty warm and sun's beating down. It's gonna be awesome. Ice cream.
Is ice cream included?
Sunshine scoops. Oh,
That's Yum Shine.
Yum Shine. Yum Shine. You can use your selling sign card there.
So it's not included.
No, not included. Cross the bridge into the sandcastle. So this side is the Calypso Lagoon. And over here is the Starfish Lagoon. Really pretty. Have the ceiling painted. One of the water slides coming through the castle. And this is Lacono Cove. This is your shopping and straw market type stuff. There's the slides. Flash Flamingo and Mach 3 Marlin. Sandcastle slides. This is another additional cost. You have to have a band through the slides. Jess and I both thought this was a dead iguana. It does. It looks like it from back there. It's almost a mirror of Calypso Lagoon. Of course, everything's named different, but it's basically the same offerings on each side. On both sides, they have glass. In the they've incorporated like bottle glass into the walkways and sidewalks. It's red and yellow on the Calypso side, and it's blue, like sea foam, and green over here on the Starfish side. It's kind of cool. So the lockers, they work with your selling sign card as well. So you see the lockers up ahead, said it's included.
Yeah.
Yeah, lockers are included, work with your selling sign, and America's new favorite game, pickleball. Both sides have a number of food trucks. Coming up on the food truck area right now. So the way they worked on the other side, I'm sure they work the same here. Got a little kiosk that works for your selling sign card, and each selling sign card, you get a voucher for one meal, and then anything above and beyond that, you have to pay. And then there are some of the restaurants that are pay with your selling sign. They don't count in your voucher, but all of the food trucks count with your voucher.
Do you want to use your voucher?
No, thank you. Oh, we had plenty to eat in Pearl Cove. Pearl Cove, we went there because the lagoon was so cold. It's definitely worth the money. Our advice, though, it would be to just get the access with open bar and get your meal out here at one of these food trucks or something like that.
Unless you just want some kind of better meal.
Yeah.
Because we did have lobster and shrimp, and
Yeah, it
Kurt had a Wagyu burger.
Yeah, Kurt had a Wagyu burger. It was a meal that was worth the extra money, but from a cost savings perspective,
Yeah.
you can get just as much for your money, in our opinion, unless you just want a really good meal.
Season's greetings.
I didn't see this on the Calypso side. I'll have to check. I don't know if that's included or not, but that
That's really cool. So the little party boat at Shoalmates Island Bar. That's cool. Really cool. So we first saw those in Roatan, I believe it was. Be really cool over there. Some cabanas. So you get your own private water slide. It's chilly today. This water right here now. This is cold. Holy moly. Hello, tell me.
Oh my God.
How cold is that?
It's so cold. It's very, very cold. It's colder than you think when somebody says, "Oh, the pool's cold." No, that's freezing. I can deal with a cold pool,
That's beyond cold.
but I mean, we're having to break the ice on it. Look, almost.
I don't know if it's because it's, we've been in a little bit warmer weather. I'll say a little bit because it has still been chilly for the Caribbean. But then this water, I'd like to know if it's groundwater fed. Here's another swim up bar. I would get out in the water and show you the name of it, but I am not getting in that water. But look at this on this side. So they didn't have this on the other side. Look at these bar stool tables right there in the water. Really like that. That's nice. And you've got the bar here. And then this is one of those like normal, what you would see normally at a private island, just a food area. Come in, get your normal buffet fare still on your voucher, still included. One time through. You go through twice, but you gotta pay. They have special white sauce that these little birds make. Like it. I like this though. Next time we come back, we're gonna spend some time here in this. I like it.
This side,
Yeah, I like
it's
that.
just that this side is for families, and there'll be kids everywhere. The other side's 13 and up.
Well, not all of it.
But yeah,
Yeah, the north end of Calypso Lagoon is 13 plus. So yeah, there is more family activity over here. I mean, we're grandparents, so the Moonlight Adventures, we cool with the kids. That's all right.
are we?
Kinda. They start getting aggravating, we might trip them. We might throw them off in the water here. I don't know.
They wouldn't care. They would come back.
Oh yeah, it'd be playful.
They would come back for more. More would have kids all around.
Yeah, this is I like this side. This is pretty cool. Probably don't have to deal with the belligerent people we dealt with on our side that we were on today. So Chas, we could go across right here, and we got to make we've got to make a business decision right here. Do we want our feet to be clean and free of sand, or do we want to be cold?
How deep is it?
It's going to be up to about your hip. So what are we wanting to do here? Are we wanting to
Get our feet dirty.
We're wanting to get our feet dirty. We don't want to get cold. All right, let's go. All right, I would have picked to be cold, but Josh does what he's told.
You would have to listen to me complain.
Oh, we got another opportunity to clean them here, though. Oh no, it's closed. So this is the Starfish Lagoon splash pad for the Netlands. I wonder why it's closed. Did somebody poopy in the water? It is a kid area. We have a code brown. We have a code brown. Oh, this is cool though. Look at this. So they've got a slushy bar for the kids. 0 proof slushy bar for the kids. Isn't that cool? That is awesome. And they got cool little names for them.
They're not free.
No, they're not free, but that's still cool that the kids can order their drinks. And mom and dad can still add mixers. All right, guys, so we finished our day here at Celebration Key. What do you think?
It was really a good day.
It was a nice day.
Nice island.
Pros, everything's right here. It's really clean. Food was good. Pearl Cove was great. Highly recommend it. I think the freshwater pool is probably great. It's not freezing cold. The pier's really nice. The trails, that's another pro.
Oh, there's a ton of trees.
I mean, we're walking right now. It's just makes me feel like we need to. The water's beautiful. The beach is clean. Great. Cons, not as many freebies as there used to be. So only getting one time through for food and stuff like that. But, you know, I don't know. There's a lot of wasted food. You do have to be honest about that. The coldness of the lagoon, that's obviously. They can't help it. I mean, I guess but they can, but but it wouldn't be the world's largest freshwater lagoon if it were hot, because I don't think there's any way they could warm that pool that's that large. Another pro, best drinks I've ever had from Carnival.
Oh my gosh.
Pearl Cove drinks were fantastic.
And it was so pretty.
Yeah, so good. Best drinks I've ever had.
Like they over here, so make sure that you drink every time. They are.
Yeah. So all in all, I mean, hey, Celebration Key, good addition to the Carnival brand. Highly recommend Pearl Cove. Good day all in all. We're going to get back on this ship with Kurt and Marcia, and we're going to have some fun. And we'll see you when we see you. We all.
If you enjoyed this vlog, click the link above for more cruise content.